Hey, sweet. Get W Falcon up in here. What's up, everybody? Wow, people piling in. Bing bong. What's up, Raven? You absolute noob.
Yep. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Wow, that's one way to greet someone.
Yeah, you know how we do it. Fantastic. What's up?
How's it?
Hey, generous kid. What's up, bread? We got the whole academy in here.
Well,
Very
didn't
cool.
you get the memo? Academy's taking over.
The academy is taking over. That's what I heard. You guys are forming a group.
Yeah. We need to overthrow the dictator of Emerald City.
Yeah, yeah. The wizard. What's up, Pelzy? How's it going? Olabanji, hello, hello, Mr. Bijer. Bruce. Bruce can't hear me. He's got his thing off. Cardo, what's up? Sky1. Skyon, I don't know if you can hear me, but I always say Skyon. Is it Skyon or is it Sky1?
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
X Space Q3, what's up? Hey, we got Ned in here. Ned, it's great to have you here. Long time no talk. I don't even know if you can hear me, Ned, but great to have you. Christy, what's up? Bulldozer, hello. We'll be starting at in about 4 minutes, so just to give people time to roll in. We got Amit in the house. What's up, Amit?
Yo.
Yo, yo. Hey, Sport Monkey.
Morning.
Morning, morning. Hey, Snowmobiles. Yep, Bulldozer muted and deafened, yeah. Hey, we have Zero here, too. Hey, Zero. We're going to talk about both Emerald Buy and Gateway today. Wow, we got a rock star group of people in this town hall today. Hey, Bam. Hey, Kelcoin. Hey, Hero. Wow, yeah, everyone's coming today. Wow. Random question, but does anyone have Discord party mode on? I know Discord came out with like a party mode because it's their birthday, and I've been using it. It's actually pretty fun.
Yes.
Yeah, every time I type, it starts like shaking and blasting confetti, and I love it. Hey, what's up, Strata? How's it going? Sam Made, hello. Data Fuels, what's up? I know, right? Fantastic. That would be sick. Whoever came up with that, or whoever comes up with that would be awesome. True, yeah. After like 10 seconds, I would have like a seizure. Hey, what's up, Professor Meta?
So I had a question for you while we're waiting here, Jacob. um, 2 weeks ago, I went down to this event in Vegas where they were doing NFT horse racing,
Yeah.
and I printed out a bunch of horses for these guys, and I put a little NFC sticker on there to take you to the horse's stats.
Yeah.
I was wondering, could I issue them floats instead, and then just put the address for claiming the float on the little NFC sticker, so when they tap their phone to it, it takes them straight to the claim page, so
Yeah.
they can claim the float for their horse.
Yeah, totally. So, yeah, like each float event has a QR code on it, so you can put the QR code on the horse, and then they can scan it with their phone.
cool. I can do QRs too. All right, sweet, sweet. Well, see, I did the NFC just because I love tap to do, so that you just
Oh.
wave your phone over it. And that was the magic part because no one had to scan anything. There was no trying to get the QR code lined up. You just put your phone over the horse and it took you straight to its stats page.
Oh, interesting. I've not even heard of
So
that.
I just
That's
need
cool.
a website. That's all. Yeah,
Yeah.
they're 50 cents on. It's like 28 to 50 cents a sticker on Amazon. And then there's a free app I use on my phone, and it took me like an hour to like manually type in the website for each horse, but like
Huh.
it wasn't that bad. 2 minutes a horse is nothing.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's
Raven's
interesting.
talking about NFC tags.
Yeah, that's interesting. I've never even heard of that. That's pretty cool. Smart Rookie, yeah. Yeah, so like just to answer your question, like we do have QR codes, but I'll have to look into something like that. NFC tags, interesting. All right. So let's go ahead and get started with today's town hall. Yeah, let's just dive right into it. So welcome everybody. Wow, here we are. I'm streaming, right? Okay. Yeah, so here we are. This is town hall number 11. We started indexing at 0, so I guess it's technically 12. But yeah, so we do town halls every 2 weeks, so bi-weekly. And it's really just an overview of, what we're currently doing, what we have been doing, and what we plan to do in the next 2 weeks before our next town hall. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Oh yeah, we also separate the town hall slides into 3 different guilds. If some of you aren't aware with how Emerald City functions, we're split into 3 different guilds: an education guild, a building guild, and a governance guild. And so we're going to start off with the education side first. And yeah, let's see what we're up to. So, as many of you know, and many of you are a part of, the Beginner Cadence Bootcamp May 2022 edition is currently underway. That's been going amazing. And who's in this bootcamp right now? Anyone want to say me in the chat? We got a bunch of people in the academy this round, and yeah, it's been great. Not gonna lie, the students are a lot smarter than I thought. They've been outsmarting me pretty much every day, so that kind of stinks for me. But it's been it's been an awesome boot camp. Yeah, and so that's gonna end around early June, or late May. It depends on if we have to go over or not. And the next round is gonna start next June, or this upcoming June. So if you missed this boot camp and you're sad about it, that's totally okay, because we're going to run the same exact boot camp in June. So that's going to be really exciting. And then one other thing that I didn't really put in these slides, but we're also, going to be developing an advanced cadence course over the next couple weeks / months. So if you're currently in this boot camp and you really enjoyed it, and you want to participate in a more advanced one to better your skills and make even more ready for, job opportunities and stuff like that, we'll be coming up with that soon. So definitely stay tuned. Sort of like a self promo here, but I'm also mentioning this because it actually is relevant. So flow/cadence videos continuously uploaded to my channel, which is the link right here. The reason I'm sort of self promoting this right now is because Secure Cadence, as many of you know, is coming out. So Secure Cadence is basically like a new version of Cadence, or upgraded version of Cadence that'll be coming out, I believe, on June 15th. And the reason for that is because, permissionless deployment is coming to mainnet. So permissionless deployment is basically where anyone can deploy to mainnet. For those of you that don't know, right now you can't actually deploy to mainnet. It's gated. So around June 15th, they're opening mainnet to everybody. And with that, all your contracts are pretty much going to break. So I made a video on how to prepare for Secure Cadence. The Flow team actually sent it out in a bunch of emails, which I was pretty excited about. And so definitely, if you have mainnet deployments already that the Flow team did for you, make sure to check those out. Check out this Secure Cadence video and make sure your contracts, transactions, and scripts are ready to rock and roll on June 15th, because most likely they're going to break. So that's that. Now, we didn't really talk about this that much at last town hall. I don't know why. I think I just forgot about it, honestly. But so if you've ever heard of Scaffold ETH, it's basically a one-stop shop for education and building pathways on Ethereum. So we can actually check it out together. It's basically a repository. It's Scaffold ETH. It's insanely popular. I would say on the Ethereum side, it's probably the most popular education tool. It's called Scaffold ETH, and this is like the main sort of GitHub page. It's basically a bunch of projects that help teach you to get started on Ethereum, whether it's coding Solidity or learning React or just learning the full stack of the Ethereum blockchain. It's here, and they even have like helpful documentation about all their projects. So it's made by this guy named Austin Griffith. He's incredibly smart, really nice. And you can check out all their projects here, like a simple NFT one. They just help you install it. They help you configure your gas and wallets, and it's basically a learning experience that you learn how to do all these different things. Well, anyway, back to the main point here. We're bringing that to Flow. So really excited about this, and it's going to be integrated into the larger Emerald Academy. I'm really grateful to have Fantastic and Pelzy here, who are both working on, sort of like the front end for that. So thanks so much, guys, for doing that. And
you have to go get it. I'll give you water. I have. Sorry.
Yeah, so thanks so much for doing that, both of you. And at the same time, I'm sort of developing the smart contracts and learning pathways for these as well. So we got an awesome team working on this. And yeah, just super thrilled to have this going. So if anyone has any questions about Scaffold Flow, or you want to, maybe, input any advice, or, you have any, things you want to see with Scaffold Flow, we actually have a channel for that, literally called Scaffold Flow. So I just put it in the chat. So feel free to put any advice or suggestions, or maybe even if you want to help out, just let me know. So that's it on the Education Guild. Yeah, boom, that's it. So next up is the Building Guild. I'm going to pause for like 30 seconds, see if anyone has any questions about that, and then we'll get rocking and rolling. All right, cool. Looks like we got some reacts on my Scaffold Flow post. I think it's because Haruki, I think you're here. Haruki's my Steak IRL friend that always puts reactions on my posts. All right, so this is the Building Guild now. So let's jump right into it. All right, so number one, Float. So yay, Float. So I'm sure you all know Float at this point. I'm gonna stop introducing it because I think everyone really knows what it is now. But yeah, look at the claims that we have going on here. So 99,000. So I wonder, actually, let's check it now. Yeah, so it's 99,173. So I'm gonna be watching this like a hawk because I want to see it go to 100,000. And at some point, I'm assuming it's gonna be sometime tomorrow or the next day. I'm gonna record this, and it'll be a nice milestone for all of us to sort of think about. Yeah, tomorrow. Take a face reveal. I've done that so many times, you noob. Check out the YouTube. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So there's not that many updates on Float. Actually, no. I'm just kidding. There is one update, and that update is that. So we're actually currently remodeling this entire platform. Well, not the entire platform, but a lot of Float's going to be getting huge design updates thanks to the EME Studios team. So Mateo, I don't know if you're here. Are you here, Mateo? No. Okay, you're not. But yeah. So thanks to EME Studios, they're the same people that did our Academy page, and yeah. So they're going to be remodeling some of the Float sites. I'm really excited about that. All right. So. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that a lot of these Building Guild updates, a lot of them are slides from the last town hall, but I included like an update section to tell everyone like what the updates were over the past 2 weeks. So the Token Minter bounty, it's a bounty we got from Dapper Collectives, and it's basically a platform for anyone to learn about NFTs, Flow blockchain, and configure and deploy their own NFT collections without coding. So more simply, it just allows you to upload your artwork, and it pretty much codes a smart contract for you, and then auto generates your collection, auto generates the smart contract, so that you already have your collection hooked up. So some updates there. 2 weeks ago it was pretty much nothing. But updates. The education part has been written. We've had over 10 translations in different languages, which is super cool. Yeah, and so here's a very early skeleton. So we haven't really shown this to anybody yet, but yeah, this is sort of like the early skeleton. So like it isn't really styled up yet. There's not like really any styling, but this for skeleton, I don't know if I have to explain this, but like basically if you haven't coded before, usually that's a term used to just describe like the general format of the project. So yeah, this is what the general format's going to be like. There's a guide section, there's a collection generator, which is you'll input some fields and mint stuff. So anyway, it's pretty cool to see our education stuff actually get put onto a website. So that's really nice, and there's going to be many different languages here. Spanish is already sort of configured, but yeah, we'll have a bunch to do. So yeah, super excited about this, and it's gonna be awesome. I see there was a picture of me ripped out of my mind. That is what I look like in real life, by the way. That ripped. It's not even like fake. Yeah, so there we go. That's the token minter bounty, and move on to the next one. So the Discord plugin bounty. So this is a tool to provide gated access to channels with clear use cases and explanation. This is pretty much the Emerald bot. So this is another bounty we got from Dapper Collectives. Pretty much just to develop develop the Emerald bot more and provide like greater documentation and website. So the bot requirements have been completed. We added fungible token verification the past 2 weeks, so that's really nice. So yeah, the bot requirements are pretty much done. The only other thing sort of to do is the front end, which is under development by both Zero and FR Labs. Are you here? Oh, and FR Labs. Hey, FR Labs. Yeah, so they're both tackling that. Really excited about that as well. And they're doing it with a very similar theme to both the Academy and the other pages that we have. So this is sort of like a sneak peek. It's not fully done, but this is a sneak peek of what it's going to look like. So it says Emerald bot, a little description of the bot, and then this awesome robot. I love this robot, by the way. I don't know how they did it, but looks really cool. Yeah, so there'll be some of the main features are that, all of you that have used the bot before probably know this. It displays NFTs in Discord, gated access and general utilities. And again, this isn't, completely done, but it's amazing. And then, there's a list of commands that allow you to actually like view all the commands. There's some nice GIFs or GIFs, I don't know how you say it, of each of the commands. So basically just better documentation than we have on the current Notion site. So awesome, yeah. FR Labs is the best. You're both the best. So thanks Zero. Yes, it's Zero that just typed in the chat, and FR Labs are the two people that did it. So thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Done a great job so far, FR Labs. Amazing. All right, sweet. So yeah, that's also under development. So that's the main update for Discord bounty. Cool. Now I announced this last week. Emerald ID and Dapper Wallet. So Dapper Wallet is coming to Emerald ID. If you don't know right now, we just use Blockdo. So when you verify your assets or when you use the identify command, it's all using Blockdo Wallet. We're gonna be integrating Dapper Wallet soon. The reason I don't have any updates here is because the Dapper team has not emailed me back in 3 weeks. So well, they have, but they can't find a time to set up a meeting. So like kind of sucks, I guess. But I don't know. I guess that they're super backed up. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. So yeah, hopefully we'll be adding it soon. This is my version of terrible styling. I don't know. It probably stinks. But yeah, so that's that. So Raven says, how about Lilyco wallet? So yeah, they will be too. Unfortunately, I'm not in contact with them at all. I know Andrea is. I don't think Andrea is here though. But yeah, I haven't been in contact with any of them. But I'm sure if they reached out or if I reached out, I'm sure we could get something going for sure. But yeah, so this is my like dummy version of what it'll eventually look like. It'll just work. Yeah, I'm curious, Amit, because I don't like. Do they support account proofing and all that? Because that's pretty much all we'll need. It's the middle of the playoffs, Dapper. should be smoking with Top Shot. Yeah, true, Ricardo. Yeah, admit the whole reason I can't update, or the whole reason I can't add Dapper Wallet right now is literally just because they don't support account proofing. And then I tried to like make it so that like the user could sign a signature and I could verify the signature. But I tried to do that, and then they said access not allowed. And then I tried that one access node that you had sent, and I had asked someone else as well, and so I tried that access node, and for some reason it just didn't work. Like it didn't connect or something. So I guess that's why that's what I'm basically waiting for from the Dapper team. It's just like send me the correct access node URL, but I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, and also while while we're on this page, actually no, I'll leave that. I'll leave that for later. Leave that for later. That is super weird. Yeah, I don't know why. That's bizarre. That'd be great though, admit. All right, yeah. So, moving on with the we're going pretty quick today just because a lot of these are just updates. But you know, as many of you know from the last town hall, we announced that Emerald Bot would be supporting both NBA Top Shot and UFC Strike. So that is still happening, and as soon as the Emerald ID supports Dapper Wallet, this will be in effect pretty much immediately, because we'll be able to verify Top Shot, we'll be able to verify UFC Strike. A lot of that is, you know, and like all the NFTs and assets and verifications and stuff like that. That's really exciting. And for you Cadence developers, the Emerald ID Dapper contract has already been deployed. So yeah, literally as soon as they get back to us about the account proofing, it'll be good to go. All right. So another announcement. Good thing we have Zero here. Zero worked a lot on this as well. So Gateway, which I don't know why, I kind of want a new name for this. I don't know if I really like the term Gateway, so if anyone has any ideas, feel free to spam the chat. But yeah, so we're developing a whitelisting platform on Flow. We were doing this a couple weeks ago, but we sort of like put it on hold because we just got like an absolute like influx of bounties, and we were just kind of overwhelmed for a second. Here it is, Zero. True, maybe we'll call it that. Anyway, yeah. So we kind of put this on hold because we were just so like overwhelmed. But anyway, it's back in action. I've been adding a bunch of updates to it. Yeah. So the initial functionality is going to be well, you know, it's a whitelisting platform, and the initial functionality is going to have the ability to support NFT and fungible token verifications, and Discord rules. And what that means is that basically like, you know, if users have a certain role in Discord and you want to make that, you know, like a you want to make that like a requirement. So for example, only people that are server boosting my Discord can get in this whitelist, or only people that, you know, have this special role in my Discord can get on this whitelist. So we'll have support for that. And I think that's going to be awesome. Yeah, and it'll also have Emerald ID support, so checking whether or not the user has an Emerald ID. So of course we're going to do that. One thing I actually forgot to put in here, it's going to have float support. So if the user has a certain float, then they'll be allowed on the whitelist. So I don't know why I didn't put that there, but it's going to have float support as well, which I think is really cool. I think the two tools are going to mash really well together. And then in addition, maybe Twitter. So the reason I say maybe is because, you know, we were thinking of supporting this initially, but you know, if, you know, from the developer side, you can imagine how much extra weight it's going to put on this, just because we have to figure out Twitter verification and all that kind of stuff. So yeah.
So realistically, what's super cool about this, Jacob, like I've just been hearing you describe that, there are so many things that already integrate with Discord that just being able to tie floats to Discord rules will let you then interoperate through like a chain with a whole lot of other third-party services. Like, oh, my mind just nuts.
Oh yeah, I mean totally. Yeah, you know, this is sort of the goal with like a lot of the tools we're building, is to make them like interoperable and make them like work together. And so, you know, if you think about like the float whitelist combo, you know, you release a float as a giveaway, you know, people claim the giveaway float, right? They get a certain role in your Discord, and then when you make the whitelist, you have two options. You can either make it so that you gate it based on the float itself or the Discord role, right? So there's just so many options to whitelist your thing. So definitely excited about that. Hey, thanks, Meta. Cool. So I think that's it on the building side, right? Yeah, that's it on the building side. So yeah, so before we go to the oh yeah, so anyone have any like names for Gateway? Just out of curiosity. We have Flow Pipe. Flow Bouncer. Yeah, we'll have to put all these on like on a list and choose between them. The reason I don't like gateways is it just doesn't flow. It doesn't sound right. It doesn't roll off the tongue. I was trying to find who that sound was. Okay, I finally found it. All right, cool. So yeah, let's move on to the governance guild. Bam, I like that. That's creative. That's very creative. Valve. That's not bad at all. I like that name for some reason. Valve. I don't know why. Guardian. Yeah, a lot of these. I like Valve a lot. Okay, let me just say I like that I don't know why I like that for some reason. Maybe that's it. All right, so yeah, governance guild. So this is sort of like the more administrative and like just miscellaneous stuff that we do in Emerald City. So this is a copy and pasted slide from last week, but this is basically just a screenshot of like all the things we're doing during season 2. So season 2 is like a 2-month-long, 3-month-long period. The guild leaders are going to be deciding this, yeah. So these are just all the things we're doing. The education guild, boot camps and advanced courses, and building guild with Dapper's studio and Dapper Collectives grants and all that kind of stuff. Like Raven said, it's in the roadmap channel exactly. And so yeah, if you want like a more general overview of what we're doing during season 2, definitely check this out. And so I mention this every town hall, but the guild and guild leader to season 2. Usually I put everyone under different guilds, but the guild leaders and all met last week. And we sort of came to the decision that maybe it make more sense just to, recognize all of us as just more general guild leaders. And so that, you can really reach out to any of us if you have any questions about, things that are going on inside Emerald City. And so, yeah, just to, make everyone aware of like, if you need help or if you need help finding your way around the DAO, or if you want to, ask something or you have suggestions or advice for things we're working on, these are definitely the people to go to. So, yeah, thanks everyone for being here. And if you are a guild leader, can you say hi in the chat, and we can add a bunch of emojis and reacts. Nice. There's Kelcoin, the beast. Yeah, spam that with emojis. Oh, here we go. There's Bam. Oh, there's Support Monkey. Let's spam everyone. Spam the emojis, guys. Oh, there's Dean. Spam Dean. I love this. So thanks everyone for giving our guild leaders some love. We love them all. And there's Sport Monkey. Let's spam Sport Monkey as well. Thanks guys. Wow, it's so entertaining with the Discord things too. Wait, let me show this again. Wait, okay, wait, let me type my name too. All right, let me just say hi. All right, everyone spam hi. Let's spam this with emojis. Look at how cool this is. There's like confetti everywhere. See that? I love that. That's great. I hope they keep this actually. This is awesome. Look how many reacts we're getting. Wow. Okay, that's awesome. Anyway, sorry, I got distracted. Back to the main point here. Like, we're adding infinite amount of emotes, guys. Stop distracting me. All right. Wow, this is really bad for my attention span. All right, so back to Cadence 2v2s and Minecraft bottles. So we already had our first Cadence 2v2 battle. So who was in that? Anyone want to say hi in the chat? So we had some fun participants in that, and some people won someplace NFTs. So Numini won. Numini, congrats on winning. Fantastic won. Well, because Bam was generous. Fantastic actually was really bad at the challenge, but he still won anyway. I'm kidding, Fantastic. I'm kidding. He was really good. No, you're really good. I'm lying. Stop it. Hero lost. So it was really fun. We basically had two people battle it out, and or we had teams of two battle it out, and so the way it worked was like there were four people, there were two teams, and the first team where both people coded the contract won. So this is a screenshot right here of I was on a team, but everyone said that because I was too advanced, I had to blindfold myself. So this is me trying to code a script blindfolded. And you can see I actually kind of got there after a while. But yeah, I didn't end up making it. Yeah, so as you can see, like I was typing some weird, like, I don't even know what I was typing here, but that was, and I wrote like return with a Y. So I was trying my best, but definitely didn't get there. You won the number one though. Yeah. You watched the YouTube video, Devon? Yeah. It was very fun. So anyway, we'll be doing a lot more of these later. We're gonna have a Minecraft challenge, not next week, but the week after that. So I'm gonna formally announce that. Maybe a little longer because I haven't like officially announced it yet. But anyway, we'll see. We're gonna announce that soon enough. And I know Suricat, I think you're here, right? So Suricat's excited to do that. So Suricat and I built the last challenges, and yeah. So thanks, Suricat. We're gonna add a little party emoji to that. That was super fun. Yeah. So also I asked this during the last town hall. I don't know if it really got any love, and like if it's fine if no one really wants to do this, but I'm sort of announcing like this is a very like minor bounty, but if we have any like talented graphic designers or people that want to make a fun image or short video animation, just sort of like you can reach out to me about this too, but to sort of like come up with some sort of thumbnail or like animation or something for these Cadence 2v2 battles or the Minecraft battles. I want to start putting these like under like a category, maybe like Emerald Wars or like Andrea said Emerald Wars or something Wars, and we make that like a category in Emerald City, and then if someone can make like a design or a graphic design or something about Emerald Wars, that'd be amazing. And the reason I say that is that every time we have like a Twitter announcement or we announce these in Discord, we can put that promotional video along with it. So I don't know. Thanks to this challenge, I realized I don't know Cadence. True. True. It's so easy to code along with Jacob. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway, so if anyone wants to do that, that'd be awesome. Otherwise, it's not, crucially important. It's sort of just like an opportunity. And, I'll give like, some amount of float token to whoever does that. LOL, true. Also, yes, we're going to add that in there. Yeah, we'll add that to the roadmap. So here, let's go to the roadmap right here. Boom. And I'm gonna edit this for a second. And we'll add Cadence 2v2 battles, Minecraft event. Then we'll also have a League of Legends battle. So if anyone plays League of Legends, we'll get that up and going. How's that? Battles might just cripple EC productivity. You know what's funny is that like maybe in a month's time everything just falls apart and we just become a gaming DAO. No, I'm just kidding. I mentioned a League game right now. No way. No way. What champion are you playing, Amit? Actually, you probably can't type because you're running it down mid. Poppy support. Oh, he's running it down. He's hinting. Can we flame him? Are there like angry emotes we can put? He's running it down. Yeah. Yeah, rip him in for trolling. Can we report him? A-Earth. Oh yeah, A-Earth is on right now. Anyway, yeah, so you can see we have a lot of gamers in the chat. So love that. Yeah, okay, so merch design contest. So calling all artists in Emerald City, we're doing a design contest. It got a lot of reactions. I don't know how. But basically, so we're designing merch right now with Professor Meta. So thank you, Professor Meta, for doing that. He's just amazing, and yeah. So we basically released this challenge. It's going to be $250 in flow token, and a someplace NFT to an artist that can come up with the best design for our merch. Now the cool thing about this is that there's really no rules or requirements. The only rules that you use are colors, like our colors, but you can do whatever you want. And the reason I do this is because I love watching people be creative. I love watching what people come up with. I think it's just the coolest thing in the world. And so we've already gotten a bunch of submissions that just are amazing. And so whether you want to come up with your own avatar or an Emerald City mascot or a cool image or whatever, feel free to just go nuts. And sort of like the example is, so this image down here, I know it's sideways, but this is some Ave merch I got. And look how cool it is. There's like a little ghost on the back, a little iceberg with some, ice Ave. I think it looks awesome. And so yeah, just that's that. So one thing, yeah, I'm actually gonna pull this up. The best one so far, if anyone's curious, is at least, I mean, I'm not saying this is the best one, but this is definitely my favorite. How do I wait, hold on. How do I copy this? Wait, what? This? Yeah, okay, this is my favorite one so far. So this one, Jaroon did this one. Amit lost. No, Amit, that stinks. But this is my favorite one so far. And the reason this one is so cool is because like it's more than just an avatar or like a mascot. It's like it's almost like a story, right? It's like there's these two characters that are sitting on these rocks and they're like looking up to Emerald City in all its shining glory in like a form of like hope. And like that, for some reason, that like story behind this is so cool. Like I know this is like cringy, but like it's like emotional, right? It's really cool to see. And so this is my favorite one so far, again, because it includes that like story element. Yeah, so you can see like this is Emerald City up here, and like all the lights are shining out of it. So I think it's amazing. And so Jaroon did this. So but I just pinged the person in chat. So yeah. So the idea is that this would be something that we put on like the back of a t-shirt. So on the front of the t-shirt would be like just the little Emerald City logo on the top left. Just so that it's very clean on the front, but on the back it would just be this. So it's just, I was just completely blown away by this when I saw it, and I would wear it everywhere. So yeah, so look out for more Emerald City merch coming up. Love that, Sorry Cat. Yeah, so just it's awesome. All right. Oh, and thanks to everyone else for submitting. Even if yours doesn't win, we'll help you. It's not going to be branded under Emerald City because other reasons. But if we will help you create turn your image into your own NFT, and you can use the NFT if you wish, but it won't be under Emerald City really. Okay. Next one, Hyperverse DAO. So this is a copy pasted slide from last week or 2 weeks ago. But as I said last time, we're going to be, partnering with the Hyperverse DAO to sort of build some cool things in the Hyperverse. And so, this includes, making modules that, Web2 developers can use to build Web3 applications without knowing any smart contract code. I'm not going to dive into this too much just because we're going to revisit this topic again soon enough. And I'm going to have a more, formal announcement. But if you want to learn more about this, you can check out all the things that we went over during the last town hall. And yeah, this is going to be amazing. So just I'm going to push this to the side only because we're going to revisit this like very soon. So I'm going to leave it to that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So usually we go the full hour, but the reason it was kind of shorter this time is because I didn't really have any major announcements. We just have a ton of updates. So I'm assuming the next town hall is going to be just like this one, where we just have a bunch of updates and all that. So yeah, so just like Deepfake said, I gotta let me release a POAP. I always get to do this. Raven said your speed. I know. I do go really fast. Just out of habit. I don't know why. So yeah, let me configure a float, and then that'll be the float for this town hall. Give me 1 second. I'll send it to chat. Okay. Thanks for the reminder, by the way, dude. Sea of Thieves? Oh, you see that? Oh god, am I showing? Whatever, you guys can see that. Doesn't matter. Everyone's like peeping at my thing now. That's great. Among Us. Yes, I do have that as well. Talked about all the town halls. Choose an image. Where's the Emerald City image? Find it. Found it. All right. Time limit. We'll give people until tomorrow. Here now. All right, and the secret passcode is going to be what's the secret passcode be? Any ideas? Let's see what R2E2 says. Noob Jacob. Wow, that's mean, Calcoin. You're banned. All right, the password is Noob Jacob. Oh, Amit ran. I like that one better. Amit ran it down. Wait, is that too long? Oh wait, the password is Amit. Feeding. Feeding means you're doing terrible in League, by the way. Okay, so it's good. Let's see. Discord in this channel we talk about. All right, cool. And yeah, all right, good. That's it. Creating the float. You gets it first. I love seeing who sniped the first one. It's always fun. Almost done. Healed. Boom. There it is. Here we go. All right, so have fun. The secret code is Amit feeding. And let's watch them all get claimed on this page. Oh wait, I have to claim it too. Let me claim it. Oh, BZ's not gonna get the first cereal. Get wrecked. Yeah, all lowercase. Yep. Oh, here they are. Here they come. Nice, guys. Ooh, there's a bunch of them. Look at all you claiming. Raven's in a game. Wow, look at everyone claiming. Good job, guys. This is great. All right, so that sort of wraps up our town hall. If anyone has any questions, I'm gonna stick around for like 5 or so minutes. But oh, Brad got number 0. Nice. Nice, Brad. Yeah, but that's it. So thanks everyone for coming. It was super fun. And you know, as always, we just have so many things going on. So I'm excited for the next town hall, and we'll get to announce some other updates and cool stuff. Bye, everybody. And again, if you have any questions, I'll be here. Bye, Zero. Bye, Sweet. Almost in the top 10. Nice, War Monkey. Have a great Sunday. You too, Enjai. Bye-bye. Bye, us live to air. Hero. True, Hero. We're gonna let that happen organically. Bye, J-Tiz, living the dream. Peace, love, and hair. Hair grease. Bye-bye. Nice, Quarter. Bye, Amit. Bye, Falcon. Bye R2E2. Coin. Bye Ashley. Bye OK. Thanks, Generous Katie. Bye bye. Bye Quarter. Bye Snowbeals. See ya, Ricardo. See ya, Fosque. Raven, Bread. Dirty Cat. See ya. Data Fuels. See ya, Meta. See ya, Q2. See ya, Skyon. Au revoir.